Managing and analyzing medical bills can be a tedious and time-consuming task, especially when accuracy matters. Our detailed billing summary provides a comprehensive, organized report in a convenient spreadsheet format. We manually review each bill, extracting key details such as dates of service, provider names, ICD codes, diagnosis, CPT codes, total bill, paid amount, balance, and lien. The yellow highlighted row shows the cumulative total for each provider, giving you a clear overview at a glance. Every provider in the medical records is covered, and we notify you if any dates or bills are missing. As this is a spreadsheet, you can easily apply formulas and make edits as needed, giving you total flexibility. With all the details at your fingertips, you'll save time and stay organized, allowing you to focus on what matters most. Start your free trial today and see how our detailed billing summary can simplify your billing analysis.